What is template inheritance in Blade, and how can it be used in real-world application? Template inheritance in Blade lets you define a master layout like appblade.php that child views can extend, keeping your instruction consistent. This is useful in real-world apps where page share the same header, footer, or sidebar. By extending a single layout, you save time and ensure easier updates across all views. How can blade section and yields be utilized to manage content in different views? Section and views and yields allow you to place dynamic content inside specific areas of your layout, such as yield content. Child views can then define a section content to inject unique data. This make it simple to manage different page while maintaining a shared structure. How do blade control structures make your code more readable compared to a raw PHP? Such as if for rich and while are easier to read and less clutter than embedding a raw PHP tags. They improve the clarity of your template file by resembling natural language. As a result, collaboration between developer and designer become smoother. What is the purpose of syntax in Blade, and why is it important for security? The syntax output variable safety by escaping any malicious code, then prevent harmful script from being executed in the browser, protecting against XSS attacks. It's an essential security feature for handling user input. How can Blade component and slots be used to create reusable UI and elements? Blade's components and slot let you create modular and reusable UI pieces such as navigation bar, buttons, or alert boxes. They can be included in multiple views without repeating the same HTML code. This approach makes your project more maintainable and consistent.